A very good afternoon, viewers. I am Abhishek Datta, your host for this session. And today we have one of our topmost verbal faculties for the CAT category at Unacademy, Shabana ma'am, Shabana Shahab ma'am. So I welcome you, ma'am, to this session.
Thank you, Abhishek. And a very good afternoon to all of you viewers as well, all my dear students. And Abhishek, an extra warm good afternoon to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So the basic purpose that we are all here today is to announce something, a small discussion on the announcement, and then a big surprise that we all have been planning for all the CAT aspirants tomorrow. So the topic of discussion that we are going to do today is about a particular batch. So the batch is named as Target CAT 2020. Now, the CAT exam, the CAT 2020 exam is just 6 to 7 months away, right? So, Shabana ma'am, how much do you think this batch is gonna be helpful for the CAT 2020 aspirants from the verbal perspective?
Okay, you want me to start with the verbal perspective? Well, see, every other day students are contacting me, a little lost. They don't know where to get started. Okay, so those of you who are going to start your preparation now, that is in April end, or let's say May 1st week, you may be a little dumbfounded as to where to start because kuch thoda idhar hai, some portion is there, don't know some, ma'am, I have missed some portions, ma'am, I don't know where to go. So this is what my students generally say. Now this batch course that starts, so I think it's like a comprehensive one-stop solution to all those here, because it starts tomorrow, it goes on to, spread over like the next 2-3 months. And we are going to have, when it comes to VARC, let's talk about grammar. See, there are going to be 4 educators who are going to handle the VARC aspect in this course. And if I talk about grammar, tomorrow I've got a session. So tomorrow, like, we are going to do parts of speech.
Absolutely.
And we are going to delve into some typical CAT questions. Let's CAT decides to give you grammar this time. We are going to talk about some typical CAT questions that may decide to suddenly appear in CAT this year. So this is going to be about grammar. We'll also talk about grammar. Similarly, there are other educators also in VARC who will be handling certain pockets of the VARC preparation. So guys, this will really be a solution for all. What do you say, Abhishek?
Absolutely, ma'am. See, it's just 6 to 7 months away, and a batch starting tomorrow, which will, prolong for the next 4 to 5 months. Will definitely, I as an aspirant will definitely give me that advantage over other aspirants because I'm getting a comprehensive syllabus coverage, not just from one educator, but from 4 educators from verbal and 6 educators for quants and LRDI. So of course that will clear off my basics, let me practice more. So ma'am, how do you think this batch is different from the other batches that Unacademy's CAT platform had earlier?
See, when we talk about batches, Unacademy keeps coming up batches, I think almost every week. I mean, some or the other brainwave keeps coming up. So there are umpteen number of batches. But what sets this batch apart from others is that it has got mocks attached to it. Right. I mean, this is what I realized of late, that, okay, let us give some mocks along with the batches. So that is what we are going to do. We have CAT-alyst, right? A CAT-alyst is like kind of, what should I say? A CAT-alyst is like the cell, the nucleus of and within that we have, which will definitely benefit the students, because there's no use of preparation, guys, unless you have mocks to assess your performance, your program. So that is the USP of this batch course, and go for it, guys. I'm telling you, you will never regret it.
Yes. So on an average, like as per my analysis, an average aspirant needs to solve at least 20 to 25 mocks before the final day. So this batch, it includes almost 12 to 13 CAT-alyst papers, like full length tests. So which will be similar to that of the CAT final paper of 3 hours. So you can actually test your speed, your levels of preparation in different sections, and actually you can work on it. right? So continuing on the mock side, ma'am, what else does an academy have in stock for its aspirants?
Uh, right now, that's something very interesting, which I have been focusing on for the last few days, and I have been telling my students to go for, is our All India Scholarship Test,
Absolutely.
which is tomorrow for 1 hour, 9 to 10. And I think that is something really thrilling. I mean, if I were in your shoes, my dear students, I would definitely go for it, because it's a 1 hour test. It's at an all India level. And yes, you know what the charming thing is? In case you make it to the top 500, then exciting prizes. So a prize भी बोले तो कोई इधर उधर का नहीं. You get free Unacademy subscription. उससे ज़्यादा और क्या चाहिए हमें? You know, if I were a student, I would be hunting around for that.
Absolutely.
So I think that is something. The scholarship test tomorrow. So guys,
Yes.
please go for it for 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. We will be waiting.
Yes, absolutely. So, like ma'am said, we have our All India Scholarship Test upcoming tomorrow from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. So, it will be a conglomerate like CAT exam put in a nutshell for you. So, the 3 hours test has been converted into an hour's test. 60 minutes to answer 30 questions, 10 questions from each section, and you can get yourself a bonus subscription. The top 500 rankers would be getting a CAT subscription from Unacademy. So two big things coming up from tomorrow. First, the Target CAT 2020 batch, which will be starting with Shabana ma'am's class, parts of speeches, and we have the All India Scholarship Test and Mentorship Program starting tomorrow. The test is gonna start from tomorrow at 9 p.m. So a small discussion about these two news that we had for the CAT aspirants. So one last message for the Target CAT 2020 batch applicants and the aspirants for the test, ma'am. One last message from your side.
I would really like to say this, that go for it. All the very best to all of you. And no matter what the adversity that we are facing now, I always say chin up, because we will survive the corona, we will emerge unscared, and then definitely CAT will be finally at our doorstep. You can't dilly-dally, guys. You cannot think that, okay, baad mein dekhenge. No. Go for it. Keep sprucing up your preparation. And yes, we will be victorious. As Unacademy says, we will crack it. So just go for it, guys. Very best to all of you.
Absolutely. So to all the CAT aspirants, stay home, stay safe, do attend our All India Scholarship Test and the batch, the Target CAT 2020 batch that is going to start from tomorrow. So that's all for now, folks. So we will be back with some more big surprises, big news, breaking news for all our CAT 2020 friends and learners. So thank you so much, viewers, for watching us. Thank you so much, Shabana ma'am, for your lovely and precious time and for your unmatched knowledge. Thank you so much for everything, ma'am. So with this, we would like to bid.
Yes. And before we sign out, I would love to say that you're sitting somewhere where Los Angeles. Oh,
well, I'd like to think so, because it's too hot over here.
Okay, guys, tell all of you good night. Yes, and Abhishek, stay home, stay safe. Good night.
You too, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.